Have you ever had an inverted spam musubi? I have not. Maybe it will be good, maybe it won't be, maybe it will make no difference at all. Today we're gonna find out. Will it be yay or nay? This whole thing came about because my husband Eric always thinks that the rice to spam ratio is always off, and there's usually way too much rice compared to the one piece of spam. Today I'm going to make 3 different variations of spam musubi, and we're going to taste them to see which one we like most. So while the rice is cooking, I'm just going to start on the spam. I accidentally recorded this scene in slow motion, so we're just going to go with it. I don't know what that was, but moving on. This is the first time using this square pan, and it's kind of nice because it fits the spam perfectly. I love the flavor of this Japanese barbecue sauce, and it uses very simple and clean ingredients. It's really, really good. Ooh, I love the sound of sizzling spam, don't you? Oh my gosh, that looks so good. Look at that, bitches. Not to toot my own horn, but that does not look too bad. I'm just adding a little salt to the rice. It just gives it more flavor. All right, I'm gonna do 3 different versions of the spam musubi, and then we'll do a taste test and see if the inverted spam is any good. This is the first time using this particular mold, which I actually really like. It's really easy to use. First, we're gonna make the regular type of spam musubi, but with a double layer of spam, because why not? Next, we're gonna do the double spam, but sandwiched between rice. Finally, we're gonna make the inverted spam musubi with 1 piece of spam on top and another piece of spam on the bottom and rice in between. It's the next day, and I made more spam musubi so my husband Eric can give them a try. Let's see what he thinks. Okay, so we have the spam musubis here. We have the one that's sort of like the more traditional one, and then we have one where there's 2 spams in the middle, and then we have the inverted one, which I know you wanted to try.
Yes.
Do you like that it, at least this one has both, has a double spam?
Yeah, the
It's better
double
over.
spam is a must now.
Yeah.
So that is like the new way of doing this stuff. It's always 2 layers of spam.
Okay.
That is really, really good actually. The extra spam does give it the extra flavor that I'm looking for. Now is the sandwich. I'm calling this sandwich. I don't know what you called it.
I didn't have a name for it.
Okay. So I'm giving it all these nicknames.
No, I'm glad you have names, so now we know how to refer to them. Do you see what I'm talking about? When you bite into it, there's like a softness to it because the rice is on both sides. Yeah.
Yeah, feels more like a sandwich.
Yeah.
You know what? Your mouthfeel is better on this one. And the spam flavoring is better coated by the rice.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Now the inverted. This was my idea.
Yeah.
So we'll see.
We'll see. What do you think?
Let me see. Okay. So far, I think the inverted one is my favorite.
It is?
I know more meat is saltier, more of the spam flavor is coming out. And the crunch when I bite into it is something just a little bit different. Maybe not as preferred as the sandwich, but because of the ratio of the rice and meat, it's actually more flavorful to me.
But I liked all of them though.
Yeah, they all taste really good. The double spam is the way to go. For me, the winner is an inverted sandwich.
Okay.
I'm gonna finish this.
All right. After Eric tasted them, I did a tasting of my own, and to be honest, I liked the sandwich version better because it had a better mouthfeel when biting into the soft rice. So as far as the inverted spam musubi goes, for Eric, it was a yay, but for me, it was a nay. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.